Today we're going to make seeing while backing up a lot easier thanks to Diode Dynamics. The reverse light's job is to let people know that you're backing up, but it also illuminates the ground behind you for your backup camera. The factory halogen bulb leaves a lot to be desired, so today we're going to upgrade it with this LED unit from Diode Dynamics. Now we have my 18 up in the air to see the process, but this is a very simple installation you can do on the ground by simply reaching your hand up underneath the rear valance. All you're going to do is grab this socket, turn it counterclockwise, then you can pull it out and remove the factory bulb. Simply pull down on the bulb, grab your new bulb, make sure it locks in, and then it'll put it back in the housing. Line it up and then turn it clockwise until it locks into place and your installation is finished. Now this is what it should look like from the factory. The bright white LED looks right at home in our Mustang and lights up the road a lot better than the factory halogen did. As far as the installation, it couldn't be easier. About 30 seconds to install and be back on the road in no time.